Addison, what are you doing? Do you think you're so big? Hey, what are you doing? You gonna walk on that thing? Addie, where's your toys? There you go. Hey, hey, you want this? Whoa, don't fall. Get your toys. Put them down there on that side. Yeah, put that right there. She likes it.
Careful though. Everything just fell apart.
You're too brave.
Too brave.
Lean her up there again. Kenzie. Kenzie. Put her up there. There's my two girls.
She didn't say hi.
Come on. Don't fall.
I don't have you. You have yourself.
She's so serious right now. She's so serious.
She wants the money.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? There you go. Move your feet. Move your feet. Whoa. Ooh, what's Daddy got?
Daddy got?
What's Daddy got? Go get Daddy.
Go get Daddy.
Dada. Careful, Kenzie. Careful. Watch your head on the corner. Ooh. Ooh.
Come. Hey. Whoa. Where are you going?
There you go. You got it. Good job. There you go.
Got it.
No, not my money.
Tickles her lip.
No, you can't get my mommy's purse. Come on, let's go this way. Pay attention. Look. What's wrong with this guy?
She's gonna fall. Fuck.
No, she'll do it. She'll do it. She wants to get down. Hey, Kenzie.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Come on.
Why did he want to go over this?
She'll move him. She'll move him. There you go.
This long video.
Good job.
Hey, come on.
Kenzie, stop.
Walk over here now. Get it.
Oh my god. She's so brave.
No, no.
You're okay.